Hi there, my name is Mike Gonzalez, and today I'm going to be talking about the Home Depot. The Home Depot is an extremely exciting company for anybody who has ever tried fixing anything around the house, or maybe your garden, or basically anything, heating, air conditioning. Um, they were founded in 1978. They're based out of Atlanta, Georgia, and they employ over 400,000 people. They're worldwide, $100 billion in sales every year, with over $8 billion in income and over $200 a share. So it's an extremely healthy company. But that's not the real reason that I think the Home Depot is kind of a great example of really good focused marketing. They pretty early on they were able to capture the regular, they went after the regular guy who repairs stuff on weekends, and after that they grew into uh, working with contractors and having anything that a contractor might need at a great price. So they were able to corner the market in that aspect. But then they started to kind of look around and say, well, how else are we going to grow? And they really started to study their customers. It was pretty deceiving at first when they would see somebody paying a bill. Usually, it was a man paying the bill at the cash register, and so they thought that men were the main customers. But once they started studying their customers, they found out that in over 50% of purchases, there's actually the man's partner, or usually a wife or a female partner. They have a lot to say when it comes to whatever gets purchased to go that goes in the house, or the look of the house. So then the Home Depot started to kind of try to cater to women. At first, they tried some things that really didn't work out too well. They tried selling, tools with pink handles and toolboxes that were pink, and that, female customers really didn't were not attracted to that. But then they started getting very sophisticated. They started going after designer brands. They sell furniture now. They expanded into selling Christmas trees, and they also now sell anything that somebody might want to make the house kind of a designer look. So it's not just home repair anymore. It's kind of a more furniture and things like that, which I think is extremely interesting. As far as risks to the company, they have had some setbacks in the past. Running too lean with not enough employees tending to customers. Um, but they corrected those problems pretty quick, and now they're concentrating on just using technology to know exactly what the customer wants and when they want it. And they've gotten to a point where they're they're figuring out now ways that they can tell the customer what they need even before the customer knows that they need it. So again, it's a great company. I will definitely keep an eye on them in the future, and I think they're a great example of what great marketing is. Um, thank you.